guys, I'm doing a Nerf war. So I'm counting 1, 2. The rules is simple. You got Nerf guns. If we shoot someone, they gotta count to 10. I got shot, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also secretly team up. So yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay there, boy. He's counting. Gotcha, Kaden. Freaking. There, nailed it. Oh, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Pause. You didn't kill me. Alright, he's using the zombie strike. What is that called?
Zombie strike.
Oh, just the zombie strike? He's using the zombie strike, if that's what they call it. And I'm using the sling fire. Sling fire. And then the other guy's using Recon Mark II. So. Oh, snap. Gotcha, Kaden. I have to reload so inappropriately. Oh, parkour. Yeah. That scared me. Gotcha, Kaden. I got him first. No, I got you first.
Yeah, he did though.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Over here. Let's go through this little crack. I'm going right here. We're hiding under my trailer. Over here. Hiding under the trailer. There's this part where we can get...
I got you before me. Right,
He got you first, actually. Really? Yeah.
Alright. You did. I shot way before.
They shot boom, and then you shot boom. So,
No.
bye-bye, Kaden. Gotcha.
1, 2,
I still got him anyway, so still count.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'll be getting a GoPro soon, so don't worry. It'll be way more easier, and it'll be good footage. Man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yates! Yates! These nuts. Who'd you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, we restart. Okay, guys? We restarted round number 2.
Okay.
Everyone put their weapons in the middle. Now we're doing Hunger Games. Nah, we can't be that close if we move. So, Kaden, a little bit farther.
Guys, I get a count, okay?
More farther. 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 And right about there. And Damon, you. More farther.
No, you go farther. We're like the same. Guys, I get a count.
Ready, set.
No, I counted. 1, 2, go. Oh,
You get the Recon Mark II?
hey, guys, you're not allowed to do that. We got a
Yeah, we
Oh,
get
I
to
didn't know. Okay, come on.
we all gotta count to 10. You wanna go? Gotcha. Yeah, I gotcha. I don't know how to use this. This doesn't freaking. Another one?
Wait. Wait.
Yeah, we can't team up. Sorry, Damon. Gotcha, Damon.
Is that the sound it makes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now it's in it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, this one actually doesn't shoot. This one doesn't shoot.
Go. 10.
Got
I got Hayden. I got Hayden.
one. Okay, guys, that's it. So bye.